One of the common questions we receive is, do I need an EIN? The answer is most likely yes. For multi-member entities, for corporations, you're absolutely going to need an EIN because there's going to be some tax reporting requirements. In other situations, do you have employees? Yes, you're going to need an EIN. For a single member LLC, you could potentially operate as a sole proprietor, but then you're basically just you. And there's a real question about how can you open a bank account? You're opening a bank account in your own social security number. For non-US persons, the answer is almost always going to be yes. If you want to do anything with this LLC, you're most likely going to need an EIN. Interestingly, the IRS gives them out like candy on Halloween. You can obtain an EIN by going to the IRS website. It is free, but it can be complicated. There's a lot of questions in there about all sorts of different things, and you may not know the answers, and you may be afraid that you're not going to get it right. We do offer an EIN service. We know what we're doing. We file hundreds, thousands of EINs, file for hundreds or thousands of them on a monthly basis, and so we're very familiar with the process. For U.S. persons, they can obtain EINs online. For non-U.S. persons, that option is not available to you. You're going to need to fax the form in, which again can be complicated and definitely can be intimidating. So you definitely need an EIN, and we do offer that service. I highly recommend it. One of the things that sometimes people say, no, I'm going to do it myself. Then they come back to us and they come back to our team and they're like, I don't know what I'm doing. Can you help me fill it out online? Unfortunately, no, right? If you take on that responsibility, it's going to be your responsibility to go get that EIN number. If you want us to do it, we are more than happy to do it for you, and you can order it when you are setting up your company or at any time after that if you've run into some trouble along the way.